Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're installing Spyder taillights on this 2005 Scion TC. Tools used for the install is masking tape, panel remover, small pry tool, 10mm wrench, 10mm deep socket, ratchet, and Phillips screwdriver. Now let's get started. Let's start by applying masking tape to prevent any damages. Next, remove one 10mm bolt securing the side of the bumper. Next, carefully unclip the bumper. Now repeat on the opposite side. Remove two Phillips screws along with the plastic washer securing the bumper. Now carefully unclip the bumper from underneath the taillights. Now open up this access cover to the left taillight. Remove three 10mm nuts securing the taillight. For this top one, I'll use a wrench. Now to unplug the harness, carefully lift on the tab and disconnect the harness. Next, carefully wiggle the taillight around to break it loose. Using a plastic pry tool, carefully unclip the taillight. This next step, make sure you have something clean and soft to set the lens on. This clip has two guide pins, one here and one here. And each guide pin has a clip on each side. So you're gonna press on the clip and carefully unseat it. I'll unclip the connector to the harness by pressing on the tabs on each side and disconnect all three bulb sockets by turning counterclockwise. Now bring your Spyder taillight over, remove the weather strip, remove the two tapes, remove the turn signal bulb, grab the taillight harness, remove the bulb for parking and brake. Take the wedge connector. You're going to line up the negative wires with the negative wire. Carefully tuck the wires in and install the bulb socket. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Grab the reverse socket and install it. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Grab the turn signal bulb, disconnect it. Connect the amber bulb provided and install it. Turn that clockwise to lock it in place. Install the weather strip and reinstall the bumper clip. Now we're ready to install our taillight. Bring your Spyder taillight over and carefully seat it in place. Be sure to line it up with this clip, and also the guide pin goes in here. Now plug in your taillight and reinstall the three 10mm nuts. Now reinstall the access cover and repeat the same process on the passenger side. Now that we have the taillights installed, reinstall the bumper. Now remove the masking tape. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's test the taillight functions.